Well, hold on to your hats, but let go of your stuffed toys. That's the message here in the Serbian capital tonight. The big house in Belgrade ready to begin the new year with a charitable bang. Partizan, who produced fireworks in recent weeks, with their new, young, vibrant side lighting up the league. Now, rather than letting fireworks fly, soft toys flying ahead of the opening tip tonight. A crowd of around 20,000 who've all been urged to bring a donation. And for everyone that lands on the court, 1,000 Serbian dinars being put towards buying holiday packages for children in children's hospitals across the country. An incredible way to start 2025 here at Partizan. Special and spectacular scenes at the Belgrade Arena for the first game here of the new year. This cathedral in the city of basketball sings its deafening hymn as we see the Maccabi starting five. Partizan and Blatt the backcourt, Horde and Sorkin along with Randolph in that front line. Roman Sorkin will play at centre from the start. For Partizan, Carlik Jones and Mario Nakic. They're the youngster who's making just his third start of the campaign. Did start the last game. Sterling Brown, Isaac Bonga and Brandon Davies. Isaac Bonga introduced into the starting five ahead of Isaiah Mike, who was a doubt for this game, is amongst the 12, however. But it's time to put the earplugs in. They are one of the hottest teams on the continent. And here in one of the hottest atmospheres in world sport, Partizan backed by the great voice of a rejoicing Grobari. Can they keep shooting for the stars? A passionate crowd in Belgrade ready to usher in a year that could further prove an age-old rule. Željko Obradović only builds winning teams. If they want to be a playoff side, this is one they simply have to win. Here in the searing hot Serbian capital tonight. This place was a fortress for Partizan. Last season they were 12-5 here. This season they're only an even 5-5. They need to start rebuilding the Belgrade barricades. It's the beginning of a month that starts with this temporary Belgrade derby against Maccabi and will end with the big Belgrade derby here against Crvena Zvezda. They're on clean-up duty for the mess they started the season with, a 2-8 record. But with these fans behind them, they're only going now from strength to strength. And Željko Obradovic's new pieces of the Partizan puzzle are emphatically clicking into place. So many fascinating matchups on this court here tonight. Sterling Brown, one of those new players for Partizan, really finding form. Tamir Blatt now leading Maccabi with greater responsibility, the league leader in assists. Belgrade booms for the opening tip in round 19 of the Turkish Airlines EuroLeague. I'm Tim Long and honoured to be with you for this one. Partizan against Maccabi. A packed house at the big house. 17 previous modern era meetings between these two former champions. Partizan the slight 9-8 edge. 179-91. Željko Obradovic's team across town in October. And that ended a streak of 9 straight wins for the home team in this matchup. Maccabi haven't won a road game against Partizan since 2010. If they were to do that tonight, it would have to be a special demonstration of character. It's a club that have thrived in adversity at times over the last year or two. They would have to do so again here this evening. In the round 4 meeting between these two earlier this season, the three-point line was decisive. Maccabi limited to only 6 threes at 25%. Partizan hit 11 at 48% in that 12